that like the first like broadcast thing in the hotel. It was sort of like the talk show, right?
Wait, say that again?
It was sort of like like when we did the thing in the hotel bar. Remember? It was sort of like the talk show, and then we liked it a lot. Broadcast, you know, like a fiasco, the first one, and that was it. Fate just came to us.
We decided by Tahoe.
Did we?
Yeah, because I remember telling my mom outside of that coffee shop we were gonna.
But in Tahoe, we decided we were gonna do the. It was in the hotel room that we decided we were gonna go. For 4 months.
Yeah, baby, we're back on. Oh, guys, we're so sorry. We were switching between the iPhone and the Droid, and our signals got crossed or mixed up or confused, and things were locking on, and we didn't know that we were off. The cashier lady at the Walmart sang a song for all you guys. It was.
They saw a lot of the Walmart.
They saw a lot of the Walmart.
They cut off at the cashier, and I don't know when you went back on, but it cut off because I mean I was chatting with people.
And we bought all these things. Like I got this new cool desk that hooked to the back of the seat. And it closes like this. And I can open it up and put the laptop in there and work. And then we got this other camera holder that we had to take back because it didn't quite work. So that was where another 45 minutes went. Emerson, is there any chance you're still there? She said we got cut off right when we got to the cashier. Right. His iPhone was telling him he had 20% left on his battery, and it interrupted that application. There's something we can do about that.
Yeah.
You can just cut off like.
Then I'll just die.
No, I mean just the pushing through Ustream. I bet that's one button.
Yeah.
Like don't switch apps with. Right, it's definitely push notification. Let me look at your phone now for that.
Yeah.
Chad has something he'd like to say.
When Chad Gillette from Hippie Fiasco gets on the road at midnight to do a 5 to 7 hour drive in his Instashirt.com shirt, he likes to drink a 5-hour energy extra. Extra!
I was afraid to do my part. See, I was. Now I'm all shy because Liz said we were way bigger dorks now than she'd ever met, ever thought we could be.
It was cut off. Yeah, we actually became bigger dorks.
Right.
I didn't know it was possible.
So now I'm all afraid of being a dork.
I know, dude.
It's working. Vitamin Me complex.
Better than herpes complex.
It is way better. I know that's a shot in the dark. Is there any chance Emerson's still up out there? He's the only person I know that can tell me how to close this Leatherman here. I don't know, man. It's really weird. No, you're driving.
I can do it, dude. 2 seconds.
Right.
I didn't even look at it.
It's fucking weird, man.
I couldn't see what was going on.
Hey, Emerson is still there. Nice.
Yeah.
He says Dork has always been the real cool.
Yeah, Emerson, we call them dork stars. It's like a rock star, but way better. I know.
Are you gonna call and get a tutorial?
I don't know who's calling.
I know it's up to you.
Tell us on the hotline.
Right. Hey, Emerson, call the hotline.
Okay, man. Sorry about that. Yeah.
Mute your computer first, and then call the hotline, and you can help maybe walk me through this.
I got you.
Does the blue end need to be plugged in, or does it charge up?
I'm not just getting it to remote. Heavy Fiasco Hotline, you're on the air.
Fantastic. I'm confident I'll solve the Weatherman issue.
I got it in my hand now. There's going to be some kind of delay, but we'll just be patient. You can see this comes. I see this comes out.
Okay. Well, I can't hear you real well, but are you there?
Yeah, I can hear you.
You there?
Okay. Okay. Right behind right behind the head of the pliers there's gonna be like 2 buttons.
Right.
Press in on the sides of those and slide back.
Well, oops, almost dropped the camera. Hold on just a second. Okay, 2 buttons on the side, and they
Slide it back, I think.
push in on both buttons.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put on the headlamp.
I'm sorry, it didn't work?
I'm putting on the headlamp here. I couldn't.
Did you already throw away the instruction manual?
They were a gift to us. These things.
Oh. I got you. Yeah, I think there's like a little like locking mechanism right there.
Can you see it?
Well, if I get near my computer, there's like a time delay.
Right. Well, just mute your computer and then.
All right. Looks like you got it.
No, I didn't get it. I still got this in this. I still got this in this hand. Sorry, I'm trying to get the camera where you can see it.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh, shit. I'm confused, man.
What's that?
The whole thing came off of that?
Yeah, that comes off. I can put it back in.
Oh, wait a minute.
And it locks in good.
I don't think I've ever seen that part come off before.
Oh, really?
I don't know. I put it back in.
New to you, huh?
Yeah.
And if I push on, see if I push on these things right here, that pops right out. There it's locked in. And I push on the ends here, and that comes right out. But even with that out, this doesn't really close. It still has those things. Maybe that just doesn't close. But that seems weird.
Well, yeah. Why would you want a pair of pliers that doesn't fucking close?
Yeah, I mean, and it has all these other tools inside, so it really feels like I'm missing something. Maybe.
Is the three Leatherman on it, or is it? I mean, could it just be some?
No, it's called Gerber. Gerber USA.
Gerber's good shit, man.